Welcome to this helpful TikTok tutorial. If you're tired of dealing with unwanted or inappropriate comments on your videos, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to filter and block unwanted comments step by step using the TikTok app on your Android phone. Let's begin. Open the TikTok app on your Android phone. Tap the three horizontal lines located in the top right corner. From the menu options, tap on Settings and Privacy. Now, tap on Account. This section contains important account-related settings. Next, tap on Privacy. This will take you to your privacy management area. Scroll down until you find the Comments option and tap on it. Inside the Comments settings, look for Filter Unwanted Comments and enable it by toggling the switch to the right. This feature will automatically hide comments that TikTok detects as inappropriate or offensive. Now you know how to filter unwanted comments and keep your TikTok space more positive and safe. If this video helped, consider watching more of our TikTok tips and tutorials.